Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you again very simple, quick recipe, DIY after sun spray. So what we're gonna need a little spray bottle here, and then I chose a few simple ingredients for this spray. So I have a scales here. Just want to measure it out. I have a little beaker, and then what I will do, I'm just gonna measure out some of the oils. So I choose sweet almond oil because I love to use sweet almond oil in this, and sweet almond oil is very good. It suits the skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to with the itchy and irritated skin which you can get after the sun. So I will use about like 40% of my formula for the sweet almond oil. So of the 60 milliliters, it is about like 25 grams or something like this. So I'm just gonna use some sweet almond oil. 25 grams of sweet almond oil. We'll transfer it straight away. The next one I have chosen oil. It's grape seed oil. Grape seed oil, it has so many beneficial therapeutic properties. It's very good moisturizer, and it absorbs fast onto your skin. So I will use about 30%, which is about 20 grams of the grape seed oil. Yeah, just gonna transfer it in here. And the next one, I chose the argan oil. We all know that argan oil, it's very good for your hair, but it's not only good for your hair, it's very good for your skin as well, because it has firming, anti-aging properties, that's what it is when after the sun. If you are too much in the sun, and of course you're getting this nice tan, but if you always too much in the sun, your skin will lose its firm qualities, yeah, and your skin will start to aging faster. So the argan oil, it's very good for this because it has this firming and anti-aging properties. Use about 20%, which is about 15 grams of the argan oil. Full recipe with, of course, you can guys change it, and you can use, if you want, a lot of more argan oil, you know, than I do. And yeah, so, and now what I will do now, I will just add some of the lavender essential oil. As I said, lavender essential oil, it's very good. It calms your skin, it relaxes the irritated skin, which is you can get after the sun. So I'm just gonna add a very few drops of lavender essential oil, like 10 drops or so. And of course, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add vitamin E. It reduces damage done by the skin. It's an antioxidant, so it's very good for your skin, and as well it provides a healthy looking skin, and it's very good support for scars and burns. So, and then I'm just gonna add like a few drops of vitamin E oil into my... Yes, and it's finished. Look at this. That's vitamin E. And I'm just gonna close it now and mix it all together, and it's ready to use, guys. So if you don't have any of these ingredients or some of these ingredients, look out on the internet or everywhere else, you know, maybe you will find some other oils which is you think it's good for after the sun spray. Yes, it's lavender. I love it. It's nice smell. Yes, it calms your skin after the sun, and look, it absorbs straight very fast into your skin, as that's what the sweet almond oil does, and that's what argan oil does. So that's my after sun DIY after sun spray. Try it and let me know what you think. See you. Bye.